In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Beehiiv newsletter. We'll move from a blank canvas to a polished send, keeping everything clear and easy to follow so you can confidently publish. Start by heading to the Beehiiv app and opening your workspace. From the main dashboard, go to Newsletter to access your writing tools. Choose Start Writing to begin a new post. You can pick a template from the library if you want a head start, but a blank draft is perfect if you prefer full control over layout and style. At the top of your draft, enter a clear, compelling title. Think of it as your headline, short, specific, and benefit-focused. Add a subtitle to set context or promise what readers will learn. It acts like a supportive tagline that invites people to keep reading. Now write the body of your newsletter. Keep paragraphs scannable and your tone consistent with your brand. When you're ready to format, click the plus icon to open the block menu. Use basics like bulleted or numbered lists to structure information, add a button to drive clicks to a page or offer, and drop in images to break up text and add visual interest. Use headings to organize sections, larger headings for main topics, smaller for subpoints, so readers can quickly find what matters to them. If you want richer content, add embeds. Drop in links or social content like TikTok or Instagram to showcase media without clutter. Personalize with dynamic tags such as the subscriber's first name to make your message feel tailored while keeping content consistent across your audience. You can also include monetization, premium sections, and feedback elements. These are great for turning engagement into revenue, offering exclusive content to paying readers, and gathering quick reactions that guide future editions. Next, fine-tune the look. Open style to adjust colors, typography, spacing, and borders. Choose a palette that matches your brand, pick readable fonts, and keep spacing generous for a clean, professional feel. Then open Advanced to dial in the background, email header, body details, widgets, and footer. Aim for strong contrast, clear hierarchy, and consistent elements that carry through every send. When your content and design are set, click. Next, to begin the publishing flow. Choose where to publish, typically to your email list and as a web post, then continue. In sending details, confirm your sending setup and anything related to delivery. Click Next again to visit web post settings and fine-tune how the article appears on your site. Move to Review to double-check everything at a glance. Finally, decide how to go live. You can schedule to send at a future time or publish now to send immediately. And that's your Beehiiv newsletter, designed, styled, and ready to send.